Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today I'm gonna show you a recipe that is very special recipe. So this is dry fish chutney. So I'm gonna show you from the beginning, step by step, how I make this dry fish chutney. So keep watching my video without skipping the video. Keep watching until the end. So let's get started. And here, as you can see, I took some garlic and dry chilies and one naga chili. This is, and in my every recipes I add naga chili for taste. Then these are dry fish and some long dry fishes and onions. So, and this is raw fish. So these are my ingredients. Now I'm gonna cook. At first I will grind all the ingredients in mixture grinder. So I took some onions and dry chilies. I will grind this. And here I have done my best onion and dry chilies, and now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, onions and garlic. I will mix nicely. Then I'm gonna add dry fishes. So this is our raw fish. So at first I will fry this on the pan. So I'm gonna add here mustard oil because cooking with mustard oil gives good flavor. That's why I added mustard oil. So our pan is heated and I have added here turmeric powder. As I said in my previous video why I use turmeric powder. And now I am going to add the fish, raw fish. I will just fry for few seconds, like 1 minute. So frying is done and I will take it down now. And here my paste is done. All spices I have added here. So I'm gonna add now. So I have added all the ingredients. So I have been cooking. It hasn't cooked yet. It will take more 15 minutes, 15 to 16 minutes, because, and then I have added here turmeric powder and chili powder. I have added chili powder because of color. And now I added fish fry. So our all ingredients are complete. So I have added all the ingredients. So my chutney is done, and now I will take it down. So as you can see, the color is very delicious. So you can try this. So here I have done my dry fish chutney, so you can try at your home. I hope you will like this recipe. So this is it looks very delicious and yummy, so you must try this at your home. So today I am going to end my video here, and please, if you like this, then you can try and keep supporting me. And if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe. Bye bye for today.